briefly I'm going to show you how to do one of my bowls. I don't know, people have different names, but I just call it like a veggie bowl. I'm going to put my spinach in here. These are baby spinach, and I need to finish this. And I'm not going to put a lot because I'm really not that hungry, but I do need to eat. Alright. And then I have my brown rice and a whole bunch of seasonings. Turmeric. What, baby? Okay, well, we'll finish your food and you may be able to go. That's black beans here. And then some carrots. They literally just got off the steamer. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of some Himalayan salt. But this is what I kind of season stuff with. And I like this Saison. It has coriander in it and turmeric. So that's why my brown rice has that little orangey tint to it, because I put turmeric in there with this seasoning. All right, this will be my dinner. All right, so I added my lime juice. I just cut up a lime and then I quartered it. So these are 2 of the quarters. And I sprinkled it over, and this is what it is. And my spinach leaves are at the bottom. So this is my creation. And it's going to be so good. All right, see y'all later.